The Trust Center. We have seen protection, validation, and other security components. I would like you to consider the Trust Center too. In all of Microsoft Office applications, there are locations and publishers that we trust and allow them to bring in content to our network. We can find Trust Center in the File menu and then go to Options. You can see here Trust Center within the Options section. You can see that there is a great deal of help information about Trust Center. Notice Trust Center Settings button at the bottom of our listing. When I go into the setting, this now tells me what areas are allowed to share content. Now please keep in mind, in an Office setting this will be organized by your system administrator. You may not even have access to this section of the screen. If someone is sending you a publication that has macros or additional coding in it, you may not be able to operate it if the Trust Center has been authorized. For example, notice here Trusted Locations. You will see that there are paths to all the locations. These are areas that are treated as trustworthy for opening files. I can also state an individual publisher by name to be safe, and I can declare an individual document. Notice that I can clear all of the trusted documents also. The purpose of using Trust Center is not allowing people to put in unnecessary things on the network without approval. We have to be very careful about viruses and other factors that are affecting badly to the network. The Trust Center ensures the security like everything is under approved environment for the safety of a network. You will see that constituents such as ActiveX settings are in this area. I can disable all the controls or be prompted before using them. In the macros, again I can disable all the macros or only disable ones that are digitally assigned. I can look at message bars, not show the message bar. In other words, I could be blocking unsafe content but not give you any kind of information about that. It'll happen quietly in the background and you will not realize it. I can set standards for external content, for blocks of files, and even for privacy options. The privacy options once again has a great deal of selections that you can go through. It is essential that you always keep security on the top of your list. If you are not sure on how to use the Trust Center, leave it to the administrators. This is a very significant security issue, not to be taken casually.